Today we will learn how to make the Wig Wag pattern. Take a damp shirt that has been soaked in soda ash and spun out in a washing machine and turn it inside out. Fold in half vertically, making sure the two front halves are touching and the tag is exposed. Using a washable marker, draw a circle and start pleating along the line. Bind once the line is straight, and we will use rubber bands for this shirt. Keep pleats as even as possible. Before dyeing, use a washable marker to draw zigzags to guide your dye placement. Switch colors and follow the dyed pattern. Repeat until this side of the shirt is completely dyed. Flip the shirt and repeat the same pattern as the first side. Once completely dyed, we can store this piece in at least 70 degrees for at least 24 hours. Be careful when cutting to not cut the shirt. Once open, we can wash the shirt in a washing machine, 2 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle. Thanks for watching. If you really want to blow your customers away, this design just isn't enough. There are thousands of designs, and you can start your own tie-dye journey by clicking the complete tie-dye guide here. Once you've mastered the basics, try this design to amaze your patrons. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share by clicking this button. Finally, you can find all available product at the website dirtyhippielaundry.com. Thanks again, have a great day.